24-hour time. There are 24 hours in a day. 12 hours are before midday and 12 hours are before midnight. Our character here is telling us that 24-hour time has 4 digits. Here we have the blue times are the 24-hour times you would read before midday or AM. So you can see all the blue times here, and that is what would be said before midday. And the green times, so if you look at all the green times here, are the 24-hour times you would read after midday, which is PM. So here we have some examples where we're going to circle the 24-hour times before midday in blue and after midday in green. So 0800, here we have 08 with 2 zeros. So you would read that 0800. That's how you read 24-hour time. So you've got 08 and 100. So you look here. 0800 would be, is that before 12? Is that smaller than 12 here? It is. So that is before midday. Now let's look at 1900 hours for B. 19 is bigger than 12. So we're going to circle that red. Then we've got C being 0100 hours, and 1 is smaller than 12, so it is before midday. We have D showing us 12 at midday. So if it's midday or after, we would circle it red because it will be in the afternoon. E is midnight, and we'll circle that. That would be in the morning. F is 2300 hours, and 2300 hours is 11 o'clock at night, so we will circle that red. And 0700 is bright and early in the morning, so we'll circle that because the 7 is smaller than 12. Remember, so any number smaller than 12 is in the morning, and any number bigger than 12 is in the, or 12 itself is in the afternoon. And here we go to 0400, and that would definitely be in the morning, because that's smaller than 12. 4 is smaller than 12, so it is in the morning. Now, just before I send you off to your turn section, I'm just going to show you a quick way of working out what the 24-hour time is. So if it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you want to know how to say that in 24-hour time, all you do is add 12. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So 1400 is 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So can you see that? Let's do another one. Say it's 9 o'clock at night, so it's 9 p.m. But you want it in 24-hour time, add 12. 9 plus 12 is 21. So 2100 is 9 p.m. It's just an easy way of working out 24-hour time. So add 12 to any of the numbers in the afternoon to get your 24-hour time. And don't forget, before 12, there's the little 0 in front every time before we get to double digits for our morning times. So if you see a 0 there, you know definitely that that's in the morning. Anything after 12 is in the afternoon. I hope that's helped you. It's now time to complete the Your Turn section. After you have done this, mark your work and tick how you feel in the self-check box. Then complete the practice section on the following page.